These faceless channels are absolutely dominating YouTube right now. Why? Because each of these channels has an unbelievable number of subscribers. You can clearly see how successful they are. Each of these YouTube channels earns an impressive monthly revenue that's almost unimaginable. So, you too can observe and learn from them to start your own successful channel. Take a look at this YouTube channel called VO Tunes. Right now, it's achieving an unbelievable number of views. The channel has around 5.52 million subscribers, which is a massive subscriber base. What's more interesting is that the channel has only uploaded about 86 videos so far, yet it's already monetized and generating great revenue from YouTube within just 3 months. If you check out their popular videos, you'll see that each one has gained millions of views. That shows how successful the content really is. So in today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create Minecraft-style videos like these. I've even prepared a full documentation guide to help you out. It'll be super useful if you're planning to make viral videos like this. Let's not waste any more time. Let's dive into how to create videos like these. First, we need to create the image generation prompts. For this, I'm using the well-known ChatGPT. You can go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt I'll be giving you. This prompt is available in my Google Docs. I've added the link in the description, so you can get it from there. This is the exact prompt mentioned there. I want to create short, cinematic Minecraft videos using detailed prompts that feature popular celebrities. After giving this prompt to ChatGPT, you'll be able to generate images successfully. I've requested it in a way that allows you to get as many results as you need. Alright, now we've completed the image generation prompts, so let's move on and see how we can use these prompts to create the video. Guys, I found a super fast AI tool. With this tool, you can not only generate images, but also animate them directly through the same website the way you want. The name of the tool is Pixverse. Search Pixverse on Google and click the first link to log in and sign up. After logging in, you'll see the homepage like this. With this, you can easily create simple videos like Minecraft or similar content for free. First, what you need to do is click on Generate Video. Then you'll see a big text box below. You need to paste your prompt into that box. So copy your prepared prompt and paste it there. On the left-hand side, you'll see a bunch of settings you can adjust. For example, under Aspect Ratio, choose 9:16 for vertical videos. Then select the auto sound. Just enable a few of the settings. After setting everything up, click the Create button. Then all you have to do is wait a few moments while it processes. The website will directly generate a video like this example you see here. It's super easy. Anyone can do this. With just the right prompts, you can create these Minecraft-style videos easily. Another great thing is that this website gives free credits when you first sign up. If you like the tool, you can later upgrade for more features. That makes the whole process really simple. So keep making videos like this consistently, and you can gradually grow your YouTube channel over time. So this way, you can generate all your videos. After generating them, you can download them easily. If you like, you can also add a few more edits and upload them to YouTube as proper YouTube shorts or videos. This can help you get more views, especially if your video is valuable. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.